thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hi. Thank you so much for joining us today. The unit we're going to be trying on is from Sensationnel, and this one is also from the Dashley collection, and I have it in the style Dashley Unit 16 and the color 1B. Let's see what we have. Alright you guys, so this is the stock card, and like I said earlier, I have it in the color 1B. For the key features on her, this unit is a ready-to-wear style made with heat-resistant fiber, available in fashion-forward colors. You can dress it up or dress it down. She does come in some special colors: HL1B28T, HL280/44, M44, T2/27, T2/30, T2/350, and T2/burgundy. And this is what we have going on straight out of the pack. And you guys, I love the curls. Just looking at this straight out of the pack, I think this one is going to be a hit. So let's see how that goes. It comes with one comb on each side in front, one comb at the back, or adjustable straps, and that's pretty much it, you guys. This one is giving curls and it's giving pop on your head and go kind of vibe. So we're just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
You're such a bright star in the dark space. So fly, you got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and I think she's cute. I definitely love this one, you guys. This is going to my everyday wear collection for sure, because wigs like this, love them for everyday wear. And as you guys saw, there was pretty much no styling with this one. All I did was just shake her, pop out my head, and fluff my hands through the curls a little bit, and this is what we have, you guys. I definitely think if you love afro curly units, you're going to love this one. Styling effortless. As a beginner, you don't have to worry about anything, because this one is just giving pop on your head and go. No stress, no drama kind of vibe. If your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I'm not too sure that she will work for you, because she does feel really snug and firm on my head. So if your head is bigger than mine, then it might fit a bit too snug for you. But shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any of both with this one. I wouldn't even expect to, because she's short. There was really nothing to tangle or shed with this one, so I didn't experience any of both with her. So yeah, you guys, I think we've pretty much covered everything. Definitely love this one for everyday wear. If you love full afro units, you're going to love this one. I definitely think that she's worth your coins. I'm going to have the direct link and every information that you need written in my description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.